Today we're taking a quick walking tour of the 2002 Luhrs 36 convertible Lady B, as her owner operates her here in Joe's Bayou in Destin, Florida. A few things I'd like to point out about this wonderful boat is she does come with the Rupp outriggers, and what you're hearing is the 465 horsepower Yanmar 6 CXM GTEs, not the standard 440 horsepower versions. The engines only have 548 and 549 hours on them. You'll also notice the newer isinglass that is on the flybridge. Half was replaced this year and half was replaced last year. The boat does come with DirecTV, as you can see, coming through the track vision dome up top. The owner also maintains her with a monthly diving service to keep her bottom clean. And a few years ago, he also added a Raymarine E120 with the 4 kilowatt Raytheon radome you see up there. Owner is willing to trade for a Grady White Marlin 300 or 330. So this is your chance to step into a larger boat and get yourself a fine fishing machine that looks practically brand new. I want to thank you for taking your time looking at Lady B, the 2002 Luhrs 36 convertible.